You are the one who is responsible for all the diseases you have. You might ask, why would I create disease for myself? But do you know, almost all your diseases are created by your mind, because our mind and body are closely linked. As we know, diseases are caused by the imbalance of different kinds of chemicals or hormones in our body. Which chemical will be released by the body is determined by what's going inside our mind and our emotional state at that time. When we have good emotions, our body releases good hormones, but having negative thoughts or bad emotions triggers hormones that are harmful for the body. When we get trapped into a pattern of thinking negatively, our body starts to release harmful chemicals more frequently, so we lose our ease and get diseased. Do you know? Every bad emotion like anger, hatred, revenge, etc. is responsible for creating certain type of disease in our body. Let me tell you that you can cure any disease just by changing the way you think, believe, and act. Our subconscious mind doesn't know right or wrong, as it has no logical power. It simply accepts the information that we feed to it and what we believe in. It doesn't matter whether the information is true or false. It makes it our reality, because the release of chemicals in our body depends 100% on what's going inside our body and what emotions are prominent at that time. It has nothing to do with what's going in the external world. External world acts only as a trigger to how we feel. For example, if you mistake the rope for a snake, you will be scared, and in response, your adrenal gland will produce fear hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. Although it was a rope, but it doesn't matter. Your mind makes your imagination your reality, and your body responds accordingly. Reverse of this is also true. If you mistake the snake for a rope, what will happen then? Although it's a real snake, but you are not aware of it, so your body will not release any fear hormone because you believed it to be a rope. So your mind responds to what you think and believe. It has the power to make your imagination your reality. Here it is important to understand that others may see reality differently based on their beliefs, and we know it generally happens. This shows that we create our reality based on what we believe. So, we are responsible for creating diseases for ourselves, knowingly or unknowingly. We constantly trigger the release of harmful hormones because of our negative thinking pattern that ultimately leads to diseases. So, the root cause of all the diseases is hidden in our emotions. Doctors generally try to suppress the body's symptoms with medicines that appear due to our suppressed emotions. They don't care about unblocking that blocked energy. They don't try to reach to the root cause that actually created the disease. But what they do is just suppressing current symptoms and then later another symptoms. These suppressed emotions find different ways to show in the form of different diseases. A single type of bad emotion can create multiple diseases in our body. For example, unmanaged anger can create different health issues like digestion problems, depression, headache, skin problems such as eczema, insomnia, anxiety, high blood pressure, and heart attack. Emotions and diseases are so closely related that an expert in this field can easily tell what diseases a person would have just by observing his personality. Not only this, he can also judge someone's personality by knowing about his diseases. Your body clearly shows the symptoms in the form of different diseases and what kind of thinking patterns and beliefs you have. Do you know cells of your body respond to every thought you have? So you should be careful about your each thought, because your present thoughts will manifest and become a reality of future. Now observe what's going in your mind at the present moment. Are these thoughts positive or negative? Depending on your type of thought, you are creating your reality, not just the future reality. You are actually living and experiencing these thoughts in the present moment. Therefore, try to break the chain of negative thoughts by being mindful of all your thoughts. When you observe your thoughts without fighting with them and without being involved, the negative pattern of thoughts breaks and number of thoughts go down. Keep it in mind, we do not suffer what's going in the outer world. We only suffer our thoughts running in our mind. We create our world in our mind and live in that world. We are the only creator of this world. Then why not create a beautiful world that we want to live in? Why are we creating hell for ourselves? To shape your life is your responsibility. Never blame others for it. Your thoughts and beliefs decide whether you will be a healthy person or will have lots of diseases. Remember, when you curse others, the first person who gets harmed is you. So let the bad emotions go and free yourself from bad memories, guilt, hatred, fear, revenge, and anger. If you want to know how much harm these bad emotions do to you, observe an angry person or a person in fear. You also have the experience of these emotions. I know you feel like living in hell. Your every body cell suffers these bad emotions. Then how would it function properly? How would it synthesize good quality proteins for your body? So, first of all, you need to confess that you have created all the diseases that you are suffering from. It is the time to take charge in your hands to heal yourself by changing your way of thinking from negative to positive, and finding good in every situation would reprogram your subconscious mind. Spread love and positivity in the world. By doing this, you are actually favoring yourself, as healthy chemicals will be released in your body and your body will start to heal quickly. Your brain is the most advanced and complex chemical producer. It can manufacture all the chemicals or hormones that are needed to keep us healthy and to cure our diseases. But if you don't know how to operate this complex machine properly, it can also produce poisonous chemicals for its own body. You need not to read the whole manual of brain to operate it. All you should care about is always try to have positive thoughts in your mind and love others. If you could do this, your brain will take care of what hormones to release to keep you healthy and cure your diseases. If you want to be free from your diseases, just keep watching this video or search the internet for the emotions linked to your diseases. Then try to get rid of those emotions and thoughts. The harmful effects of these bad emotions on your body can be reversed by replacing these bad emotions with good emotions. Louise Hay, the author of famous book You Can Heal Your Life, has contributed a lot in finding the relation between mind and body. She believes every disease is linked to some emotion. Now we will see how some common bad emotions create different kinds of diseases in our body. You can analyze it for your own diseases too. Cancer, deep bitterness, old grudges, and hopelessness for a long time. Migraine, suppressed anger, putting too much pressure on yourself, obsessed with perfection. Hair problems, tension, and lack of strength. Stomach problems, inability to adapt to new experiences, fear of new ideas, and severe anxiety. Allergies, false ego, and sensitivity. Diabetes, grief and lack of sweetness in life. Itching, unfulfilled desires, remorse, and guilt. Frequent pains, self-punishment for guilt. Warts, guilt, self-hatred, and believing that you are ugly. Rheumatism, feeling of revenge, chronic bitterness, and lack of love. Guys, after identifying what emotions are associated with your diseases, you can work on your emotions to get rid of your diseases. Friends, if you think that this video helped you, then please like and share it. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Engineering Made Easy. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.